Okay, so today we are back at the Shell station located on Highway 7 and Woodbine Avenue in Markham with a rare Belanger tunnel. So this is going to be a 2019 revisit there, and we'll be getting the ultimate wash by using this car wash cart. So anyways, let's see how it goes. Pull down my windows so that way I can enter in the code. Swipe my card. Okay, get this on the track. Let's see if I can get this on the track. There we go. On the track.
Welcome to Shell's Touchless Car Wash. Please enter your 5-digit code now.
Okay,
Thank you.
So I can do that. The doors are opening. You can see. Now I will swipe my ultimate car wash card. Here we go. Yep. Let's try properly. Oh, not. It's really interesting.
Your code number has been accepted. Please place your car in neutral, no braking or steering. Thank you.
So here we go. And this is a rare Belanger Touchless tunnel. It's really rare to find. You can only find the soft touch tunnel of its Belanger washes. Here's the code machine once again, and here's the signage. So anyways, hope you enjoy it. anyways, I'm going to quickly take a look and see how the colors did. So anyways, the tires did run up there on the sides, clean the tires. There's no opening here too. So anyways, the tires done well on the sides. Didn't do well on the windshield, it done well. I think the tires well as well. Back tires too. The back bumper. So this was done a great job, and I definitely highly recommend it at the Shell station. So yeah, one more thing is to say is thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.